Hi guys, it's Kristina. So today I have a haul for you guys with a bunch of stuff that I'm unboxing, some new makeup, very exciting things. As always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I love you guys, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you is this cute little tray that Pixie sent me, and it says Kristina's tonic. Like, how cool is that? I already use Glow Tonic. The stuff is amazing, but it's really cute of them to send this little like customized tray, and right there it says #Glow Tonic. It came on top of this thing instead of this cute box with a ribbon, so it can't get any cuter than that. And this little thing is so convenient. I literally use these every single day, so this is very convenient. I love it. I feel like I need to go take my asthma inhaler. I can't even talk. I'm like, so hold on. Okay, we're good now. Thank you for waiting. So next, I already opened these. These are, why is your hair everywhere? Oh my god. These are lip gloss. Let me get it together. These are lip glosses from Timeless Angeles. This is my friend Ashley's company. I already have liquid lipsticks from her. I have brushes. I have t-shirts. She makes like amazing stuff. Like there's a hat. It's so cute. And this is the first time she's coming out with glitter glosses. You guys, how cute are these? So this one is a gold one, obviously. This one has like a pink undertone, and this one is very neutral. It's kind of like got a little bit of both, I think. And this one is called Ethereal. This one is Aphrodite, and this one is Aurelian. And this is the packaging from them. It's got the little like time logo with the lipsticks. It's really cute. The Instagram is Timeless Angeles. So is the website, I'm pretty sure. And then hers is Ashley Swagner, like S and then Wagner. So we'll link it for you guys so you can follow her. It's awesome. These are so cute and they smell amazing. I already swatched them. I'll insert like a little picture right here, like a little boomerang, so you can see. Okay, next I got a package from Urban Decay, and these are their new palettes. Oh my god, these are so cute. So this is the package, and this is so cool. Like, I love the packaging. They're all called On the Run. This one is called Bailouts. These are so cute, and I love how they came in this little box. It's like a little book set. It's so adorable. This is totally up my alley, except maybe the purple, but I'll try it out. Like, why not? It's only one bright color. I love the neutrals. I love how these are all matte. These are shimmery, hella shimmery, basically like straight up glitter, but it's super cute. I feel like for me, I like a neutral palette, but if there's like one color, you can still mix it in. And if it's something crazy like a red, you can still like mix it in with a brown and make it like a maroon and very like wearable, you know what I mean? But I'm not into palettes that's like all crazy colors. I don't know, I'm just not. So this one is called Shortcut. I love the red packaging. Like, red is my favorite. Again, you have the neutrals, but there are some like maroons. They're not like reds, but they're definitely like warm brown mixed with a little bit of maroon in there. I love it. And again, you have some matte, some shimmers, a straight up glitter one. After Hours, I love it. Love the names. Boom. And then this one is called Detour. Ooh, I was not sure at first because it's like blue. I'm like, oh, I'm not into blues, but it's not crazy. I like this one. It's a very like, it's got a shimmer to it. This one has got like a bluish, greenish tints, like a mermaid almost. And this one, again, you could make it like wearable, you know, this dark blue one. You could put on top of like a black, especially like one of those jumbo pencils, you know, to make it like very dark. I don't like to wear blue, but you can make this work. Like, this is so cute, and I love the golds. So I'll find these online for you guys, and I will link them down below. Gonna find my scissors, so we're just gonna, you know, whatever. First of all, there's these two Yenta boxes. Let me show you. Let me open the other one. I want to see what the difference is. They might be the same. Maybe it was a mistake that they sent you. I don't know. So you guys might know that I love Police and their products. It's a skincare brand. I use their cleanser, the gentle one. Like, it's a huge one. I have it in my bathroom. It's probably like my 5th one or something, and it lasts you because you need a tiny bit of it. I use their lip butter. I don't know, whatever. The squeegee tube. I use their eye creams. Like, they have so much good stuff. Their mask is my favorite. They have a really good mud mask. Like, everything they have is very good, and it was started by Jen, who was like the villain on Power Rangers, and she would get so much makeup caked on her face for acting, and it ruined her skin, so she started to like take care of it and using her like grandmother's recipes and very like traditional like Chinese skincare things. So she started this brand for skincare, and it's awesome. And now they started this one, which is the color and face, which is called Yensa. So basically it says the superfood cosmetic enhancing beauty through superfoods. Okay, my camera just died. Like, what is going on today? I don't know. But these are the two products. I already read the thing, I'll read it again. So, the Superfood Cosmetic at Yensa Beauty with you. Every product we launch is infused with 8 superfood ingredients because we leave outer beauty mirrors in our health. We hope you love our 2 new products, and we look forward to sharing more soon. This is the Tone Up Primer with Essential Glow, and this has black sesame oil, black seaweed, black tea, shiitake mushroom, Korean black raspberry, black rice, nettle, and chia seed. When I see nettle, I think of Harry Potter, but this is so cute. I love the rose gold packaging. Super adorable. I'm definitely gonna try this out tomorrow when I do my makeup. And then this is the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. Again, it has the rose gold, but I love the pumpkin color. Lorraine's dog is called Pumpkin. Ooh, I love how they kept the rose gold on there. Super cute. I'm gonna try this out probably tonight. And this has pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. A lot of orangeness going on. That's so cool. So I will definitely link these for you guys down below as well. And last but not least, I wanted to quickly go through my Boxycharm with you guys for the month of December. So I already opened it up, everything, so don't worry. So sorry about that. But if you didn't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for $20 and you get 5 full-size products. Not like other boxes, but the products are worth well over $20. Why did I say it like that? $20. So first is the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. This one is, the name is Insta Famous. I love how all this glitter stuff is coming out just in time for the holidays. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's like very sweet. And this is $20. There you go, by itself. Then we've got this Protégé palette, spelled like that. So you've got the 2 highlighters, you have some mattes, you have 4 mattes, and then these 2 shimmers. This one is really pretty, it's like a nice copper. This is from Suva Beauty, and this is $34. Then we have this Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask, which I love charcoal masks, and I love this brand. I had a video that I did like when I lived in Florida, so like last summer or something, but I used Cosmetics, a few of their products in my skincare routine, and they were so good. So this one is $30. Should I like go closer? So this is the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Chill, dude, Dusk to Dawn palette. I love the colors. It's like very beachy, super pretty. Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, I used to live in Cuba, and City Lights. And this one is $26. Last but not least, we have this Bodyography Healthberry Lip Pencil in Heatherberry, and it's a very pretty, perfect, like nudie pink color. For me, it's perfect. I usually line my lips with like something like this, or my lipstick, like a everyday go-to lipstick. This is color, and this is $12. So if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will link them down below. And that is it for my haul. I'm gonna run. I'm going to my friend's birthday right now. Hey. My birthday was on the 9th, hers is on the 19th. Like, Sagittarius season A. Who else is Sagittarius here? Leave me a comment down below. Or just tell me or tell me your zodiac sign in general in the comments. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouNow, Twitch. I have a Twitch now. I'm gonna do a giveaway on there. So check out the links down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.